everyone, I'm Baron from Hongyi Machinery Parts Manufacturer, and we are attending Xiamen International Construction Machinery and Heavy Trunk Parts Exhibition. And this is our booth. Our booth number is 1DT242 and 3. Here is our poster. The first one is our company profile, and the other 5 is our products. First one is check shoe bolt and nut. The second one is wheel bolt. We have tower, crane bolts, hub bolts, and various nuts. Third one is tooth pin. And the fourth is bucket tooth pin. The last one is our bucket bush. Here is our samples. There is different size and different model of bolts and nuts here. And there is our tooth pin, different model tooth pin. There is our package for tooth pin and washer here. And this is our advertisement. The product is in here. And they have our business card. This is our bucket shaft and the package. And we have check bush, check pin here. Different size here. And this is our forging bucket teeth. O's forging. Here is our package for the bolts and nuts. And this is our brand here. Okay, bye bye.